In 5 days, my pain has decreased a lot, and my range of motion now has never been better. I can completely tilt my head up to look at the ceiling. I've been able to do that for 4 years. Blake, I'm from Australia and I'm 33. I've had ongoing neck problems for the past couple of years. I injured myself in 2014. I had a spinal discectomy and I had an implanted movable disc put on my spine. That was in 2014. I then had a pharonectomy done in 2016 to relieve pressure on the joint below the surgical site. I had the disc put on my C5, C6, and then I had the pharonectomy done to relieve pressure from the nerve because I still had pain coming down my left arm. Since then, I've just had ongoing issues with pain, kind of non-stop every day. Before I came to Precision Spine, the treatment after the surgery, I tried physio for a number of months. Promised me, he was going to fix it, and really had no progress at all with him. I was going there 3 times a week. Nothing really changed. Still had the pain, still had the inflammation, the headaches. Didn't really change at all. So I went to a chiropractor. He didn't even scan me. Kind of went to him 3 times a week for about a month, 6 weeks maybe. No change. It was just kind of like he was just doing some adjustments on a bed, a little bit of massage. Nothing really changed there. After that, I tried acupuncture and massage, and that was probably the only one that really gave me any respite from the pain. But within an hour or 2 after the treatment, I was back to the way it was before I came in. So I tried a few different things, but didn't have any real luck with anything. I went back after I tried all different treatments, chiro, physio, massage, acupuncture. Nothing was working, so I went back to the surgeon who operated on me and told him that, about the pain and how I'm struggling with it. And he told me the next form from his professional point of view was to have a fusion done, unless I could find alternate method to deal with the pain. That would be the next step. He didn't recommend it because of my age. He said I will have problems later on, but from where he's standing in his professional point of view, the next step was fusion. So I was pretty keen to find another method. So before I came to see Dr. Wilkes at Precision Spine, I had very limited movement in my neck. I could not look at the ceiling. I could barely look left and right or put my chin down. I came here to see these guys. They put me through different sorts of traction, seated traction, standing, laying, massaging. In 5 days, my pain has decreased a lot, and my range of motion now has never been better. I can completely tilt my head up to look at the ceiling. I've been able to do that for 4 years. Even with massage before, I can move my head left and right and put my head down. I still have a little bit of pain there now, but it's like nothing compared to what it was 6 days ago, 7 days ago before I came in here. Yes, I'd recommend it 100% to anyone who just has problems, back, neck, whatever it may be. These guys can help you out.